A lot can change over 95 years, and aviation has come a long way in that time. From handheld instruments to glass cockpits. But one thing that hasn't changed in 95 years is our commitment to quality at Lycoming Engines. Our employees know that when building at Lycoming, we take the extra steps. Our team does it the right way every time. Every dimension measured, every bolt we put in place, every quality check along the build process, every product we ship through our doors is done to the highest standard, the Lycoming Standard. From our shop floor to your hangar, we're proud to be a cornerstone of the general aviation community. A community that has grown and evolved throughout the entire world for the last 95 years. We know what it feels like to fly a Lycoming. It's for each pilot using our engine that we commit to being the best propulsion solution provider in general aviation. It's for each of you that we build every engine as if we were going to fly it ourselves. Fly Lycoming.